so all these modifications, guys, you already know. This ain't no damn Dollar Tree. We exquisite as shit here. From what you've already heard so far, guys, if you think this exhaust sound is rice, let me know down in the comments. Has my car become rice? Be sure to let me know. Now, on the other hand, smash that like button if you think, yo, this sounds awesome, dude, and I love this content, dude. So help me out, guys, if you think this exhaust sounds insane and you guys are totally digging it. Drop a like down in the not down in the comments. I'm dumb today. Drop a like to be like, yo, I love what you did with your car. I'm backing up to get some more shots for you guys. I gotta get the heck out of here pretty quick in case somebody calls the cops, because as soon as bystanders or somebody else hears you loitering basically with your car, they'll call the cops on you and it's gonna be a hot spot. So I gotta quickly get some more shots for you guys and get going here. So oh damn, a plane is coming. Let me get you guys another pull before we get destroyed here by this plane. Whoa, that was insane! Ha! In your face, plane. In your face. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed those outside shots. Once again, I apologize in advance for the planes and the wind noise. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys have a pretty good idea of what the Jetta's exhaust sounds like after the whole customization process. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop me a like and sub to the channel for more awesome upcoming content like this. And as always, I will see you guys in the next mod video. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in the next one.